Welcome back to another video on my cybersecurity home lab series. So today I will be showing you exactly how to install security onion. But before we get into it, I do need to note that I had to upgrade RAM on my laptop. I had to get 32 gigabytes of RAM. I know I did say I was gonna do this with 12 gigabytes of RAM in my first cybersecurity home lab video. But if you do remember, I also said more RAM, merrier. So I had to do it. I know I said you could do it too with 12 gigabytes of RAM, but due to the number of virtual machines we're going to be running in this lab, we actually need to go higher, especially because of security onion. But if you are not considering installing security onion for your cybersecurity home lab, then you might get away with lower amounts of RAM. Getting more RAM would prevent, you facing lags because you're giving RAM to all these virtual machines, and you do need a lot of RAM to keep everything running smoothly. So I did 32 gigabytes of RAM, and it's been great. It's been awesome. Feels like Thanos getting that last stone. So let's get into it. Let's get into installing security onion. Let's go. Come on.
So you know the drill, guys. So you head to the website. I'll put a link in the description below. So you click on download and it takes you here, and you do want to click on this right here. So it's gonna download the image, and then we'll go back to. So I do have it downloaded. So once that's done, you want to go back to Virtualbox. Click on new. The name it is security. And we have to select the image. So I do have the image downloaded, as you can see right here. So I'll do that and do next. So I'll just select onion. And I will secure onion actually. Copy that, paste, and that's the default password. So security onion needs a ton of RAM actually. So I'll be giving it about 8 gigabytes of RAM for installation, and then once I'm done, I'll go back to 6 gigabytes. I'll give it a ton of processors just because it's a heavy installation. Let's do 3. Okay. So for the virtual hard disk, you want to do 200. Next, finish. So it automatically starts powering up the VM. And we'll wait for that. Okay, it's coming up. Okay, so we do have this error message right here, and I've seen this in the past actually, so I'll just show you guys how to fix that right now. So you head to settings, go to storage, and select the image here. So select that and click OK. So let's put this up again, and that should be up and running. All right, we fixed it. Sweet. So install yourself. Do you wish to continue? Yes, master. So for username, I will be going here, onion, password. So it's gonna open up the install. Okay, so I would power this off and no. Okay, so go to settings, network, and so the security onion. I do want this, and then I'll be adding more. So I would be doing the target VLAN. So I'll be monitoring that, and okay, yeah, I think that's security onion. Well, so I want the security management VLAN and the target VLAN. So for target VLAN, I would be doing promiscuous here. Also, alright, that should get it going. So doing onion password. Okay, so continue. Yes. So install standard security onion. Yes. So we would be installing the eval mode. So type, we're gonna have to type agree. Yes. So we're gonna be doing standard, and for the host name, I will be doing secure onion. Okay, so so I use the first one. Use DHCP. Yes. Direct and keep default doc IP range. Yes. So please add next to the monitor interface. So that would be this one because that's the one for the target network. So you gotta press the space bar to select. So press that and do OK. So here you do need to add an email address. So it doesn't have to be an actual email address, but just create something. So I do James at sec onion. James at sec onion.com. So okay, password. So how would you like to access the web interface? IP, yes. Do you want to allow access by the web interface? I thought you just asked me that. So I would be doing 192.168.20.0/24. This is my security management VLAN. If we go back here, so any device on this VLAN should be able to access security onion. That's what I'm going with here. I'm not just doing a single device whitelisting, I'm doing a VLAN whitelisting. So, okay, press tab to select yes or no. Looks good. Do yes. Alright, so we do have Splunk fully installed, up and running. So we're gonna be reaching it from the web interface. So for that, I would do. So when I was configuring my security onion, I initially put it on my NAT interface, which was looking like something like this, but I had to change that. So I had to change that with a command. So I found this security onion documentation. Hold on a second. I think it's this one because it was a PDF. Okay, yeah, so it's this one, and that was changing IP addresses. So yeah, so I went through this, and if you're trying to change the management IP address, what you need is so IP update. So it does say it's an experimental utility, but I tried it and it worked for me. So if you're trying to do that, I would leave a link in the description to access this documentation. It's from Security Onion, and so yeah, that's what helped me out. That's what I used to change the management VLAN from this to this. So it changes and automatically picks up what's available from the DHCP, and that's how you do it. All right, so I'm going to the interface and we can see the log. It's picking it up, and I'm also seeing it here. Boom. So back here we can see we do have Security Onion fully installed after so many years of trying. I mean, after so many years of installation, basically it took forever. But yeah, we're in, and here we can see different dashboards. So we do have alerts, we have dashboards. Okay, so here we can view different data, and we can see information on different formats for analysis. So we have tools, have downloads, administration, PCAP, which is your packet capture. So you might want to create one, come back to it and analyze. We have Kibana.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you do have any questions, and I will answer them to the best of my knowledge. So that's it for today. So we will be taking a deeper dive into Security Onion in the next video, and I'll also show how to set up Splunk.